Hi guys, so remember how I made garlic at home? So today is going to be the day. I'm going to show you how to do it. So I tried to grow 6 garlic pods at home with the garlic pods basically, out of which unfortunately 4 couldn't survive because when I was growing it was super rainy in Bangalore and the sunlight spot that usually gets sunlight didn't have sunlight. But fortunately I got 2 pods out of it, and so I'm going to show you how to use it step by step this time, and I hope you try it at home and let me know if you have any tips and tricks to revive a plant which is dying due to a climate like this in monsoons and everything. But yes, so without any further ado, let's get into this video. So all you need right now is a pot, some mud, this one has compost also included, a bottle of water, not bottle of water, a little bit of water will do, and then a garlic. So first what we're going to do is I'm going to water this and make it a little moist. So now that it's moist, I'm going to add a little bit of this mud into this container here. I'll fix it below a bit. You see in between the mud, this mud is from a plant that died. So I've already added compost to it and I've removed the roots and everything. So what I'm going to do is, this is the garlic here. So the bud part of the the bud part of the garlic goes below and the shoot part is on the top. So I'm just going to add it like this. I'm going to add a little bit of mud over it and cover it. It usually grows in 30 to it usually grows in 30 to 35 days, nothing more than that. You will start seeing shoots coming out like in the video I mentioned, and I'm going to add it to this video as well, so check out the description box to know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so hopefully this should do. So I've added just this much and I think this is enough for it to grow. And this is my sunlight spot, so I'm going to add it here. And hopefully it should get. Basically this is the only spot where I get direct sunlight on the pots, and this is where I've placed it. And once after a few days you start seeing shoots growing up, just like how in the picture. So I hope you try this at home and let me know what else you've tried it at home so that I can also try it and share my experience with you here. So this is it from me today. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye.